URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. We provide HACCP training programs. Introduction. Hello and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's video, I will present a comprehensive and corporate level overview of the HACCP Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points training programs that we offer to global clients across the food supply chain. This video is particularly valuable for food manufacturing companies, export units, hospitality and catering establishments, packaging material and manufacturers, supply chain and logistic companies, food safety professionals and corporate L&D teams. Our goal is to build competence, strengthen compliance, and help organizations implement globally recognized food safety practices effectively. Global context of HACCP. Food safety has become a critical global priority due to below reasons: increasing regulatory enforcement, retailer and customer expectations, global supply chain integration, growing incidents of food recalls, the requirement for preventive controls, import/export compliance documentation, international regulatory frameworks including CODEX Alimentarius, FDA, FSI, EU regulations, GSO, and GFSI schemes all require organizations to adopt a structured and preventive food safety management system. HACCP is universally recognized as the foundation of all food safety programs, forming the basis of FSSC 22000, ISO 22000, GMP/GSP programs, and GFSI recognized certification schemes. This makes professional HACCP training non-negotiable for food organizations worldwide. About URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. URGS is a leading provider of food safety training programs, ISO certification support and consulting, internal and supplier audits, regulatory compliance guidance, technical skill development for industries. Our team consists of experienced auditors, consultants, food technologists, microbiologists, and trainers who have worked with multiple certification bodies and global F&B brands. We support companies in achieving compliance, certification readiness, risk reduction, and performance improvement. Detailed HACCP training portfolio. URGS offers one of the most comprehensive HACCP training pathways in the industry. Below is the detailed breakdown of each program. First, HACCP awareness training. This is entry-level program. Target group: food handlers, operators, contract staff, interns. Duration 3 to 4 hours. Learning coverage: what is food safety, basic hygiene and sanitation, cross-contamination and allergen control, GMP/GSP fundamentals, why HACCP is important, employee role in food safety. This session is ideal for compliance with induction training requirements of factories. Second, HACCP Level 1 Introductory Certificate. Target group: production operators, junior supervisors. Duration 1 day. Learning coverage: types of food hazards, biological, chemical, physical. Introduction to CODEX Alimentarius, PRPS and GMPS as foundation for HACCP. Importance of documentation, Overview of HACCP principles. This course develops foundational competence for shop floor personnel. Third, HACCP Level 2 HACCP Practitioner/Operator Training. Target group QA/QC staff, senior operators, junior food safety team members. Duration 1 to 2 days. Learning coverage. In-depth hazard understanding, risk classification and decision making, PRP monitoring, record maintenance, basic HACCP plant structure. Participants become capable of supporting HACCP implementation at the plant level. Fourth, HACCP Level 3 HACCP Implementer/Supervisor Training. Target group HACCP team members, FSMS coordinators, supervisors. Duration 2-3 days. Detailed learning coverage, step-by-step HACCP plant development, process mapping and flow diagram preparation. Conducting hazard analysis, tools and methodology, identifying CCPs using CODEX decision tree, establishing critical limits, monitoring and corrective actions, verification, validation and food safety KPIs, internal documentation and HACCP manual preparation. Hands-on exercises, sample plans and forms are included. Fifth, HACCP Level 4 Advanced HACCP Lead Implementer. Target group, senior FSMS managers, food safety leads, consultants. Duration 3-4 days. In-depth learning coverage. End-to-end HACCP system design, advanced hazard analysis methods, FMEA, AMEF risk matrices, managing deviations and non-conformities, supplier risk assessment and raw material risk scoring, integrating HACCP with ISO 22000 and FSSC 22000, designing verification programs, regulatory compliance, FSI, FDA, EU, GSO, root cause analysis tools, 5Y Fishbone KT, continuous improvement methodologies. The course prepares participants to lead HACCP implementation across the organization. Sixth, HACCP Lead Auditor Training. Target group auditors, consultants, QA managers, supplier auditors. Duration 3 days. Detailed learning coverage. Auditor competence requirements, ISO 19011 and ISO 170211 concepts. Audit planning criteria, scope and sampling. Conducting HACCP audits step by step. Evaluating hazard analysis, CCP logic and PRP implementation. Audit interviewing techniques, identifying non-conformities, conducting opening and closing meetings, audit reporting and follow-up, supplier audit requirements. This training prepares participants to perform internal, supplier and external HACCP audits. Seventh, industry-specific HACCP programs. Sector-based HACCP training includes dairy and milk processing, meat, poultry and seafood, spices and condiments, bakery, confectionery and snacks, edible oils and fats, beverage manufacturing, ice cream and frozen foods, fruits and vegetable processing, ready-to-eat foods and cloud kitchens, packaging material manufacturers, cold storage, warehouse and transportation. These programs include case studies, industry examples, hazard lists, CCP templates, and sector-specific regulatory guidelines. URGS specializes in organization-wide HACCP competency development with customized models aligned to your processes, template support, HACCP plan, CCP log sheets, PRP checklists, plant level hazard analysis workshops, pre-audit readiness training, supplier training programs, internal auditor development. We ensure teams gain practical implementation skills that can be applied immediately. All participants receive training slides, case studies, HACCP plan templates, PRP checklists, CCP monitoring formats, verification tools, sample SOPs, certificate upon completion. For corporates, bulk training and long-term training plans can be arranged. URGS offers training in online Zooms/Teams, on-site workshops, hybrid training, self-learning models on request. Why choose URGS? Internationally experienced trainers, industry specific implementation knowledge, high quality learning materials and practical examples, corporate exposure with large F&B brands, professional certification, global standard content aligned with CODEX and GFSI. URGS is committed to delivering excellence, competence and value. Contact us for registration, corporate training or proposal requests. Email info@urgsiso.com, mobile +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching this detailed overview of the HACCP training programs offered by URGS. If you represent a food business or a professional aiming to grow in the food safety domain, our HACCP programs will greatly support your career and compliance requirements. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on food safety, ISO standards, laboratory accreditation, NDT and industrial training programs. We look forward to supporting your organization's food safety journey. Thank you.